Okay, so I'm recording this video to show everyone how to perform a dilation of a polygon on a coordinate plane. So the problem here, and I know it's kind of hard to read because it's small, but it says dilation scale factor 3. So your first step is going to be to look at your original coordinates. And A here looks to be over -5, or excuse me, over -3 and up 3. So you write down that first coordinate and then you do the same for the following points. B looks to be over 2 and up 4, so I'm going to write 2, 4. And point C is over 1 and up 0. So to dilate with a scale factor of 3, all you need to do is multiply both your x and y values by 3. So that's going to give you, A is going to turn to A prime, and that's going to be -3 times 3 and 3 times 3. Oh, what's that? So A prime is ultimately going to be -3 times 3 is -9, and 3 times 3 is 9. Then you're going to go through and do the same thing for coordinates B and C to turn them to B prime and C prime. So B prime is going to be, oops, that's +2. 2 times 3, 4 times 3. And then to simplify it a little further, 2 times 3 is 6, 4 times 3 is 12. Going through and turning C to C prime, you have 1 and 0, so 1 times 3 is 3, and 0 times 3 is 0. Then your final step is going to come over to your coordinate plane again and graph points A prime, B prime, and C prime. So A prime was -9, 9, so I'm going to go over -9, up 9, put a point right there, and I'm going to label it A prime. Then B prime was +6, +12, so I go right 6 and up 12, and I'm going to label that point B prime. B with a little apostrophe up top. And then finally, to graph C prime, it's +3, 0. So you're going to go over +3, and then you're not going to go up any, and that point is C prime. Then you can connect these points. And you can see that it formed a triangle that was just 3 times as large as the original one. And then your very last step, if this is on your exam, is going to be to copy your coordinates for A prime, B prime, and C prime into the area right over here. So A was -9, 9, B was 6, 12, and C was 3, 0. And that's it.